Did you know many people are having trouble with emptying the dirt cup of their vacuum cleaner? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Remove dust cup. Press the dust cup release button and gently pull out the dust cup from the vacuum cleaner. Step 2. Remove filter. Carefully take out the dust cup filter and set it aside for cleaning if needed. Step 3. Empty dirt cup. Hold the dust cup over a trash can and press the CleanTouch Dirt Eject button to empty its contents. Step 4. Rinse filter. If required, rinse the filter in cold water and leave it to air dry completely, which usually takes 24 hours. Step 5. Reinstall components. Once dry, reinstall the filter in the dust cup and securely attach the dust cup back to the vacuum. Now you should be able to easily empty the dirt cup on your Shark vacuum cleaner. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Shark users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.